Customer experience helps to improve customer perception and will increase brand loyalty. Many organizations are seeking ways to enhance their customer experience to achieve better results. You can ensure better customer experience by integrating digital technologies into your business process and company culture. Digital transformation inspires and influences many companies worldwide to expand their business and to adjust to the digital enterprise journey. Quick takeaways. What is a digital transformation? How can you reshape your customer experience through digital transformation? How digital transformation helps you in growing your company? What aspects do you need to remember to achieve a business goal? About digital transformation. Digital transformation is where you can use digital technologies to create a new or to modify the existing business process to make history. You can integrate digital technologies into your business processes, cultures, customer experience, etc., to generate better marketing results. The reshaping of your business through digital technologies is digital transformation. How to drive a better customer experience. Your customers may have high expectations from you and your company. If you are not able to meet your customers' expectations, they will move to another company that can meet their product or service expectations. Hence, it is vital that you enhance your customer experience through digital transformation. Here are some ways to improve your customer experience through digital transformation. Personalize your digital journey. Most customers consider buying from a company that recognizes them by their name, purchase history, recommended products from past purchases, location, etc. That's how your customers enjoy personalized digital journeys. Digital transformation helps you with this and makes your customer journey more comfortable. You can interact with your potential customers through many channels via phones, social media, etc. Ensure that your customers are personally recognized to provide a heightened level of service. Educate your customers about the digital channels. Make sure that you inform your customers of these digital channels. If your customers want to interact with you through social media, then first tell them about this existing outlet. If you use any app that integrated with a website, then make sure the usage doesn't restrict your customers. Also, explain all digital channels to your customers on how they work and about the need. For instance, HSBC Bank provides classes through online banking. Be trustworthy. Make sure you provide a relevant customer journey. Your customers seek for relevant information only. If you don't provide relevant information, your customers may lose trust on you and your company. So, it's essential to give reliable data. Remember, don't insert unnecessary features, content, information, and apps. Introduce an automated email system into your customer journey, which schedules emails to your customers automatically. First, understand from which channel your customers are coming. What are they looking for? What resources do they know? Like this, you can ensure enhanced customer experience, especially according to their interests and needs. Guide your customers. Customers expect to navigate your software easily without any issues. If they can't, they leave your platform. So, guide your customers through applications to meet your customer expectations and educate them on how to access. Provide on-screen guides to your customers which takes them through processes within your software with step-by-step in detail information. Offer responsive platform. In this digital world, your customers want to access your platform and achieve their goal instantly. They expect to visit your platform from anywhere and anytime without facing any challenges. Create an optimal customer experience to achieve enhanced customer experience in the digital age with the help of gamification efforts and incentives. Provide an omnichannel platform. It is related to the previous point. For instance, there is a language learning app called Duolingo, which creates a personalized customer journey where customers can access multiple platforms. A customer hopes to be fluent in a language within a week. In fact, that isn't realistic. Duolingo allows its customers to measure how articulate they are. Should have efficient management. Driving better customer experience through digital transformation is not just a matter. You need to make sure your entire management puts in efforts to achieve that, as whole company plays a prominent role in the customer experience. Every department should work together to achieve the goal of providing an empowering and enhanced customer experience. Customers seek to solve their concerns through customer success managers who share them with the product team and inform them about the next product release. Conclusion. You should appreciate how digital transformation helps you to be succeeded. Start using and providing digital channels to your customers where they can expect more satisfaction. Remember, don't be like a company who provides a lackluster and a detached customer experience. Also, think about the benefits of digital transformation that help you to achieve your business goal. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.